Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making Jaffa Cakes. To be honest, I really didn't like them when I was a kid, but my homemade ones are delicious and even I eat them. So let's start.
The first thing you always do is prepare your baking tin. So butter your muffin tray and add a sprinkle of flour so the cakes won't stick. Now in a bowl add 2 eggs and the sugar. Mix this with a hand mixer over some hot water until it becomes full of air and gets a pale color. Take it from the heat, add vanilla extract and sift in your flour. Now fold in the flour and try to keep as much air in the mixture as possible. Add 1 tablespoon into each little muffin shape and bake in a 180-degree oven for around 8 to 10 minutes. Set them aside to cool while we make our jelly. In a saucepan add orange juice and sugar. You don't have to boil it. Just make sure the sugar has dissolved into the orange juice. I've let the gelatin sit in some cold water to soften up and adding it to the orange mixture. Let this dissolve as well. Alright, we're going to run a little experiment to see what works best. Plastic wrap or tin foil. Add 1 tablespoon of the jelly into each little muffin shape. I did the same with the tin foil. As you can see, the tin foil was a disaster. So don't follow my example but use plastic wrap instead. That worked out way better. Place all the little jelly rounds onto each cake and set aside to cool in the fridge. Melt some dark chocolate over hot water. Add a little dollop of the chocolate over each cake. And with a fork, make a nice imprint on the top. Repeat this for every cake, and there you go!
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next and how your Jaffa Cakes turned out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I see you in the next one.